I will explain DATS project to you today, and also I will share a couple information about DATS and their theme they would like to achieve. And also they just released their public testnet, and I will shortly introduce you how you can participate and get rewarded from their public testnet. DATS is a distributed high computing power based cyber security project which participants can simply dedicate their computing power resources, and with that resource DATS will provide cybersecurity solutions more efficiently and robust to their customers. And with that way, actually, participants also can get rewarded because they dedicated their computing power. You can think about it's like a crypto mining from your computer, and just you need to download that's desktop software. You have to choose for your operating system, and also you can see other details about that in here. Make sure you have joined their Telegram group and also followed in Twitter as well. After you download it, currently I'm using Mac, and I downloaded related software version with my silicon chip and operating system. And when you open this, a screen will welcome you, and also you will see a QR code in here. You have to scan through your phone because you need to get connected with your MetaMask, because everything will be based on blockchain, and I have connected my wallet. After you logged in, you can see a couple dashboards in here, and also you will see the services which you would like to dedicate your computing power to DATS project, and you can just simply drag and choose how much would you like to prefer your internet traffic as a bandwidth. I approve participation in DDoS test service, and when you save changes, actually there will be a pop-up will inform you on your phone, because everything actually is based on blockchain, and with that way you can prove your own ownership of these resources, and you will get rewarded from the DATS project. And I also approved before. You need to approve first for sure. After that, you can choose which services would you like to dedicate your computing power. When you save changes, every change you have made will need to be signed in your MetaMask. Just make sure you have to around $2 to cover the gas fees. Also, to be honest, I approved all these services because I would like to dedicate my computing power. Also, I dedicated 2 core of CPU of mine to provide supercomputing services and blockchain security as well. After the public testnet ends, you will see you will get the rewarded based on your resources, how much you provided. And also you can see your profile in here. You can see future tasks. Currently we are in testnet section, but when the testnet is done and when they launch the mainnet, you will see tasks and your earnings in here as well. That's shortly it is, but I will also share blockchain site details with you. ESG scan, and I will put my wallet address in here because you can see transactions about the DATS project. With more details, I approved attack prevention. Bool type true, yes, because you can prove your ownership to DATS and also to other participants, because you will get rewarded with that way. Let's go back to my wallet, and I approved DDoS saving and also cybersecurity and blockchain sites currently. And actually that's all, because it's just simply testnet. Everyone can participate. And also in the near future they will launch AI powered chat tool. With that way anyone can learn about cybersecurity stuff. Yeah. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about DATS project, just reach out them their admins on Telegram, or you can also join to Discord, because in Discord you will get a testnet role, and that it might be precious in the near future. Have a good day. Bye.